Meaning of efficacious.
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 Efficacious. The word efficacious refers to something that is effective in producing the desired outcome or result. It suggests that a particular action, treatment, or approach has been successful in achieving its intended purpose. When something is efficacious, it means that it has proven to be productive or useful in achieving a specific goal or objective. This term is often used in medical or scientific contexts to describe the effectiveness of treatments, therapies, or interventions. Overall, efficacious is a strong adjective that emphasizes the positive outcome or result of a particular action or approach.